We'll guide you through how to integrate Asana Teams seamlessly into your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. You need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the homepage, where you'll see the sidebar menu. Click on the Teams option to access your existing teams. If you want to create a new team, click on the New Team button, which is usually at the bottom of the Teams list. A pop-up window will appear asking for the team name, team description, and team members. Make sure to fill in these details accurately to keep everything organized. After you've created the team, the next step is to integrate it with other tools you might be using. For example, if you're using Slack, click on the Apps tab in the sidebar, then search and select Slack from the list of available apps. Follow the instructions to connect your Slack account to Asana. This will allow you to receive notifications and create tasks directly from Slack. Similarly, you can integrate with other tools like Google Drive or Microsoft Teams by searching for them in the Apps tab and following the on-screen instructions. Each app might have slightly different steps, but Asana provides a guide for each integration to make the process as smooth as possible. Don't forget to check out the settings section of your team, where you can adjust permissions and other configurations to suit your team's needs. This setup will help streamline your project management and improve collaboration within your team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.